it is assumed here. ठीक है. Next we assume that the result is true for n is equals to m. Okay, n is equals to m के लिए भी result true है. That is what? Therefore, x raised to the power m is less than y raised to the power m, which again can be written as x into x raised to power m is less than y into y raised to power m. कैसे? As x is less than y, which shows that x raised to power m plus 1 is less than y raised to power m plus 1. ये भी कैसे हुआ? Because x is less than y, we can write x from the left hand side, y for the right hand side. There will be no change in the sign. On multiplication, the powers get added and we have x m plus 1 is less than m plus 1, which implies result is true for n is equals to m plus 1. Therefore, if the result is true for n is equals to m, then it is also true for n is equals to m plus 1. But we know that the result is true for n is equals to 1. Therefore, by the mathematical induction, which you have studied I think in 11th standard, the result is true for all n belongs to capital N. Therefore, x less than y implies x raised to power n less than y raised to power n. Then the second assumption, we assume that x raised to the power n is less than y raised to power n, and we have to show that x is less than y. This can be easily shown by substituting n is equals to 1. Therefore, x raised to the power 1 is less than y raised to the power 1, which implies x less than y, which again shows that x raised to the power n is less than y raised to the power n for the special case of n is equals to 1. It is the particular case. Okay. So, particular case shows for n is equals to 1, x is to power n, y is to power n, it implies x is less than y. Hence, we have x raised to power n less than y raised to power n if and only if x is less than y. Okay, thank you.